Hello, this is Andrew Theophilopoulos with EEL 3701. My class number is 10A85 and my PI is Davis Lester. So let's get right into this Lab 3 demo where I will be demoing my 3-digit counter with debouncer as the clock input. So here is our waveform right now. The clock has currently started off at 0, which was totally random. The three switches on the right, as you can see right here, are our set switches. These three switches here are our reset switches, and these two switches here are the B and F, 7 corresponding to B, 6 corresponding to F. And then these three LEDs, top left, are Q2, Q1, Q0 in that order. And so right now, as you can see, Q2 being active low, the numbers are currently displaying 0. That is in agreement with what is displaying on our DE10 light, but we can say switch it to 7 by setting all the sets to their true state because they're active low. Now, as you can see, we have it displaying 7, so that is the set functionality. So now we're at 7 here because obviously 15 active low Q2, and the DE10 light is also displaying 7 on the 7-segment display. Now we can start seeing, okay, are we in forward count mode, backward count mode? Well, right now we're actually in forward count mode because B and F are both set to high and B is active low. So now we can see what happens when we give a clock signal through our debouncer circuit here, which is using a NOR chip. And there is the 0, 3, and now notice here 3, 0, 1, 1, our signal has that special output right there. That's because 3 for when F is on, the special signal is put on. Now we can do this again. 4 always will have the special signal 1, 0, 0, and it agrees with that right here because once again Q2 is active low. We can switch it again. 2, 7, and we'll just go through it all now. Okay, now I want to display the backwards now, and so if I do that right there, we can see the backwards. So now it's set to 3. Let's set it to 0 just to show that the reset works here. So we're going to set all our resets to 0. It's set to 0 again. Now you have to turn them back on so that they're not holding it at that position. And so now let's just go through our backwards count real quick. And as you can see, an important note here with the backwards count is that 3 is no longer special. It no longer has that special dot output, which is what was intended because F is no longer true. Okay, now there's one more function that I would like to show. It is the hold function. So when B is true, when B is high, which means false, and 6 is also low, which is false for F, then it will just hold the value we're on. So there's the hold function, and that should be all the functions. Thank you for watching.